4 3.4-ounce tube of Sensodyne Repair and Protect Teeth Whitening Toothpaste. Toothpaste for sensitive teeth from the #1 dentist recommended brand for sensitive teeth. Sensodyne fluoride toothpaste builds a repairing layer inside the tiny tubules of the sensitive areas of your teeth. Stannous fluoride formula provides lasting protection against sensitivity with twice-daily brushing so you can enjoy life without the worry of sensitivity. Toothpaste with an ingredient that is clinically proven for sensitivity relief and lasting protection. This toothpaste repairs sensitive areas of your teeth so you can go back to the things that you enjoy eating the most. This whitening toothpaste is breath freshening. Sensodyne Repair and Protect Whitening is a daily whitening fluoride toothpaste that has a clinically proven ingredient to provide relief from sensitivity and deliver lasting sensitivity protection with twice-daily brushing. This whitening toothpaste is formulated with stannous fluoride, and creates a reparative layer to help relieve tooth sensitivity. Sensodyne Repair and Protect toothpaste also helps whiten teeth while freshening your breath. Brush with Sensodyne Repair and Protect toothpaste for sensitive teeth and cavity prevention twice but not more than 3 times every day. Try to minimize swallowing and spit out. Make sure to close the cap. With twice-daily brushing, Sensodyne Repair and Protect helps repair the sensitive areas of your teeth as shown in an in vitro study. Top reviews from the United States. It really does help to keep my teeth whiter. This toothpaste really does help to keep my teeth white, although I would love it if it got them whiter. The flavor is okay. I feel like you don't get enough product for the amount of money they charge.